May 2024 Curated Bead Box unboxing.
Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I'm doing another bead box subscription, but they're a different company, and it is Curated Bead Box. Now this is for the month of May, and yes, I know this is what, the 29th, so we've only got a few days left in May, but I wanted to go ahead. I seen this and I thought it was so beautiful, and I wanted to give this company a try. I don't have a code with them yet, but I will be in the process of trying to work with them to get a code. But as of right now, it is $20 a month. Their bead box, they'll put in some funding, so it's enough to kind of get you started on your journey making for that particular month. So for the month of May 2024, it is Mystical Orient, and I'll do my best to try to tell you what is in here. Some of these I have already opened to make it easier and a little faster. While I'm at it, I'll go ahead and organize this as I'm going over it. If you've watched any of my other unboxing videos, you know that I get these from Hobby Lobby, and it's like $3.49 for 3 of these. I actually need to get some more. Start us off with, we've got these 10mm Summer Glory Crackle Season glass beads, and it was on an 8-inch string. Look how beautiful these are, which I love crackle glass anyway. Next up, we have a 10mm yellow marble style glass bead, and it was an 8-inch string as well. I love these yellow. Next up, we've got 10mm fuchsia swirl marble style glass bead in a 6-inch string. Next, we have 8mm green purple duo style glass beads. Oh, I see the purple in it now. I couldn't see that last night when I first got them. Can you see the purple? Next, we have 8mm lapis lazuli gemstone beads, and it was between a 7 and an 8-inch string. Then we have 6.0 baby pink opaque glassy beads in 1 ounce bag. Then we have 1 ounce pink silver designer glass bead mix. So it's got like your little pearls. There's a couple of the glass beads, the crackle glass. These are interesting. They're different shapes too, but it's kind of a clear glass with a silver band around it. And they're different shapes and sizes. Then we also have some pink ones, a few of these pink ones, but it's a pink glass with a silver band. Have one of these. Okay. We have 1 ounce pale yellow silver designer glass bead mix. So we've got these little yellow. Then we have these little silver looking things. They almost look like a spaceship. And then these teeny tiny little seed beads. I might be wrong, but I think those are Latinos. we have 1 ounce of Crystal White Designer Glass Bead Mix. And these are kind of offset where the hole is. You see it's kind of the top of that. And some of the clear one is just like that white I just showed you. And then we have these rectangle shape. Oh, and some of these little bitty ones. Then we have a 10 by 6 millimeter silver metal barrel spacer beads, and there's 8. Have 6 millimeter silver metal bead caps. It says it's approximately 25. Then we have this 54 by 36 millimeter silver metal half moon pendant, chandelier pendant. Then we have 130 by 6 millimeter pink polyester tassels, and there's 5 of these. And lastly, we have some of our findings. There's some silver head pins. And it looks like we have some stretchy cord, beading wire with crimp beads, and lobster clasp. And I think this memory wire. Yeah, got some memory wire. So nice little set. And this is enough to get you started. Alright, stay tuned, and I will within the next, oh, also leaving something out. There's some silver, these look like probably 6 millimeter jump rings, and then some fish hook ear wires in silver. Okay, so stay tuned here in the next day or two. Hopefully I will get something made with this. And like I said, I know it's the end of May, but hopefully June we can start over with a fresh, you know, beginning of the month whenever they send out the new subscription. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon with some jewelry made from this May 2024 Mystical Orient Curated Bead Box. Hope y'all have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.